Let us understand if function in this exercise. Sample sales data is given. Let us read what is required. Commission of 1% on sales amount to be given to the salesperson, where sales order is of at least rupees 60,000. So in this exercise, we have to find the commission amount. Let us see the criteria. C. Criteria is commission to be given only if sales amount is 60,000 or more than that. Second point, we have to see that how much commission to be given if sales is more than 60,000. That is, even if condition is true, how much commission to give? We can see that it is 1%. Let us do it. In the cell of commission column, let us start writing formula is equal to if bracket. Let us write condition amount greater than 60,000. Click on amount cell. Greater than or equal to 60,000. We have written condition. Add comma, write, what if condition have met 1% of sales amount. That is, click on amount. Multiply sign. 1%. Comma. What if required condition is not met, then no commission. So write 0. Close bracket and press enter. We got correct commission amount. Let us again see the formula we used. If you want, you can pause video and write down the formula. Let us also do for the second record, same formula. We can see that commission came to 0. Because, as you can see, amount is less than 60,000. And so, our condition is not met, therefore no commission. Let us do second example. You can see that data are same, but the condition to give commission is different. That is, in this example, we have to give commission only if sales order count is at least 3. So, in this example, our criteria is quantity. Of course, except criteria, rest all is same. That is, commission amount to be given is same. So let us do is equal to if bracket. This time, select quantity cell. As we can see, condition is 3 or more than 3 pieces. So let us write greater than or equal to 3, comma, amount into 1%, comma. If condition is not satisfied, then commission 0. Close bracket and hit enter. We can see that we got commission equals to 0. Naturally, as we can see the condition that commission to be given only if sales order is 3 or more than that, and in this case, as we can see, quantity is only 2. So naturally no commission. Applying the same if formula in this second record. Simply drag down to get answer for other rows as well. So, in this video, we have seen how to apply different condition using if function. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when new videos come out.